Hi, my name is Sophia Crum-Ewing, and I was in Group 2's Wiki on technology addiction. The purpose of our Wiki page is to show you how addiction to technology is an important topic in today's world, where most Americans are constantly using some type of technology. Listed below is a video relating to our topic, and you can click on any of these tabs and it will take you directly to that page. Here's our team page. With using technology, it is important to me because it helps me be able to communicate with family and friends more efficiently. Over time, technology has become more advanced, so for this project, I wanted to research more about what causes technology addiction and how it can be prevented. I currently study administrative office management at HAC, and my expected graduation date is this December. My first page that I created is causes of technology addiction. So here I listed some information about what I had researched, as well as some factors of what can happen with this addiction. And you can click on any of these links and it will take you directly to that website. And here's the other one. And here's a video. And if you click on any of these buttons, it will take you either back to the top of the page or back to the home page. My second page that I created was how to prevent technology addiction. And again, here's some information that I found and a picture that relates to our topic. So here are some tips that you could try, which is you could limit the times in a day when you check your phone, talking to people over the phone instead of texting them. Try to avoid using social media completely if you are out with family or friends. Encourage yourself and others to go without technology when you go out so you can actually take the time to enjoy each other's company. And if you're still struggling to break this habit, you could always try and seek help from a professional. And here are two more links that you can click on. And here's the other one. And same buttons back to the top or back to the home page. And lastly is our references page. And here's the 4 references that I used. So thank you for taking the time to listen to my screencast on technology addiction.